I don't freaking know, y'all. Like, I'm so confused. So today we are at Miss Jen's Summer Bash, and I'm serving the wine. It's my first time bartending. I actually kind of like it. Someone told me to start bartending, but this is the place. I don't want to set my edges. Hopefully I don't set my edges out. Like little events like this I love in Dallas because you can just come and network, talk to people, do whatever it is you to do, but like just getting out is so good. Such a good vibe. I got music, vendors, wine. I haven't tasted the wine, but yeah.
What's up, everybody? It's Miss Jen from Genuinely Pop-Up Boutique. We are here at event 1013. We're here once a month doing it again. It's a summertime bash, so we want to see you once a month. Follow me on IG at Jen_Unique. Why? Because I am. Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl Kayla, the founder of Dallas Black Vloggers. I am here supporting Miss Jen at her boutique on this amazing hot Texas Saturday. Make sure y'all follow Dallas Black Vloggers. Go to our website as well, which is Dallas Black Vloggers 2. And I have been in contact with my girl Imani since last Saturday, and we've hung out a few times already and plan on hanging out a lot more. And I love what she's doing, girl. Continue to be amazing and great. And y'all make sure y'all subscribe to her channel.
So we're at our second event. This is called In Living Color. That's what's called, Kayla? Okay. Yeah. So another, oh yes, this is much better.
This is way better.
Okay, my edges aren't too bad. How's your hair coming? Your hair, how's your hair doing?
It's alright.
Her hair's doing alright. We're trying out here. Texas heat. I think my hair is getting a little used to it, so. Okay guys, so the place that we went to, y'all, that was not the correct place. It was a baby shower. The people who were having the event that we thought we were going to, they went to another location or something. So we just ended up not going to that event, and we were supposed to go to another event later today, but I don't think that we're gonna go. So I decided that I'm just gonna go to At Home, which they close in less than an hour, and then go to Target and get some self-care stuff because I am really not having the best day internally. Like externally I had a great day because I got to see people, I got to hang out, but on the inside I am screaming, okay? And the reason is because I'm PMSing right now, so it's pretty normal. In my head I'm like, I know I'm not okay, but also I know there's a reason for it, and I know that it's normal to not be okay in this time frame. But on the other hand, I'm just so over having these like feelings this strongly every month because of my period. And I don't know, I just don't know. Like I honestly think I have PMDD, which I don't know if I told you guys before, but yeah, like being a woman is difficult. Like it's so much to being a woman, and I just feel like I want more men to understand that, because men honestly like doubt how much we go through and how much it takes to be a freaking woman. And I'm tired of it because we go through so much prior to even being a mom. Like mom or no mom, we go through a lot, and I just want more men to be understanding and caring and empathetic because it takes a lot. Aside from all of that, I ate, I had some ice cream as well. About to go to the store. Look at the sunset behind me. We are back at the famous At Home. We're back here. And I had to change my shoes because I had the Gucci platforms on. Those shoes hurt so bad. Oh my god, I need my lashes done so bad. It's not even funny how bad I need my lashes. So I think mirrors are Okay, it says storage and organization, bed, bath and windows, home decor and lamps. So maybe I should get a card. Plants are down there. Oh wait, rugs are right here. I don't know what type of rug I want. This is cute. Hold on. I don't freaking know, y'all. Like, I'm so confused. I don't know which is which. I don't know. I don't know, because I really want this rug. Like, screw it. Screw it. I think we found it, guys. It's this one right here. Ooh, guys, I found this cute painting. This super cute painting. I love the colors. I don't know if they show up well on the camera, but it's so cute and so calming, and I feel like it goes with my rug, and I feel like it goes with my couch because my couch is gray and it has some gray in it. So now I think I want to find some pillows with some colors in here for my couch, because I only have gray colored pillows on my couch. But I just love this. It's so cute. So let's see what we find. Here are all the pillows. Like, I could even do a teal color. And mind y'all, it's okay if it doesn't look good. I can easily change, switch out things. I just want to do something different. I want to be different. And the thing is, I don't want super big pillows either. Or should I do like lighter colors? But I feel like, let's get blue and then let's see about another color also, because we could do like this color too. And a yellow throw. I could do a yellow throw, because right now I just have like a, this is so fun. I could do a yellow throw. Oh my god, this is so fun. And then yeah, like a blue pillow. And let's see what else we find, y'all. Hopefully this is not too expensive. Oh, this picture is $139. But whatever, I don't care, because I have to get my apartment together. I can't keep being cheap. So as y'all can see, like, these colors match. I don't really want to do too much pink. I grew out of that pink stuff, so I really do not want to even look at pink. But like, this color is cute. I've been getting a lot into peach lately. Like this color, like, and I don't want it super girly, so I really want to stay away from the pinks. Y'all have no idea. Like, I want to stay away from the pinks. So I love me a green, but I've been doing a lot of green lately too, so trying to stay away from that kind of too. We can do a red. We can definitely do a red, or because if you look at this painting, it has orange in it. So let's see, because we could do blue, orange. I have the yellow throw, and then one more color. Should I do yellow? Yeah, I hope this crap looks right together, because hold on, I think it will. Or should I do a cream rug? I don't know. We're gonna see. Let's try it. Let's just keep what we have and let's try and see what it. Okay guys, we got it. And y'all, let me tell you, it was a pretty penny, but it's gonna be worth it. I'm so smart, I decided to park all the way over here. I don't know who told me to park all the way over here, but I parked all the way over here, and y'all gotta watch my back because I just need to be safe out this bitch. That was so sweet. I think these people, I think they were waiting for me to finish putting my stuff in my car. That was so sweet of them. I don't know if that's what they were doing, but I'm just gonna say that's what they were doing, because that's what I would do. And I just think that was so sweet of them. That was just really nice of them. The next stop is Target, and I'm not gonna lie, my brain is trying to tell me, take it back. Take it back. No, I'm just kidding. Money comes easily and frequently. 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 Money coming to me now, now. 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 Money comes easily and frequently. Money comes easily and frequently. Money comes easily and frequently. The only reason why I gotta go to Target is because I have to get apple cider vinegar for my face mask, and I have to get, you guys know the face razor things, so I have to get those 2 things. Outside of that, I think I'm good. I'm so excited to decorate my apartment. So y'all, something that I realized is that these subconscious beliefs that we allow to get the best of us, to take us over, to make us feel like shit, they don't be true. Like, most of the time we let things like play over and over and over and over in our head, and I feel like those thoughts are so loud and they've been going on for so long that we're just naturally immune to like false beliefs about our life, about ourselves. And it's like, no, like they're not true. Just because they've been going on and on and on in your head for so long still does not make them true. So I think reflecting and unpacking the things that we think about ourselves, the things that we say about ourselves, maybe some things that people even projected onto us that we took as our own thoughts about ourselves or our life or our capabilities, and realizing that that shit is not true. I don't know if y'all know, but a good 80% of our thoughts are false beliefs that are not true. If we can recognize that and realize like, hey, maybe these false beliefs aren't right, instead of us believing everything that we think, how about we start questioning it, even if they're true. For example, if you are like, oh, I want to go on a date with a guy, and you're like, oh, but what if he doesn't think I'm pretty? What if he sees, I don't know, the scar on my back that I don't like? But on the other hand, how about we question that and say, okay, well, what if he thinks that I'm beautiful and I'm the most attractive girl he's ever dated? Or like, you get what I'm saying? And then the opposite side of that is, if we have positive thoughts about ourselves, let's say we're doing a speech or something, and you're like, oh my god, I'm gonna be the best at this, I'm gonna be so good, I'm gonna kill it, da 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 da. And then you say, but what if I'm not the best? What if I make a mistake? What if I stutter over one of my words? What if? And guess what? What if you do? What if you don't? At the end of the day, everyone makes mistakes. No one's perfect. And I think when we weigh the options of what if something good happens, great. What if something bad happens? Okay, I'll just learn from it and move forward. I think that's just the most important thing in life, just to be neutral. I don't feel like anything in life is good and anything is bad. When we weigh the options, it's honestly like, okay, like if it happens, great. If it doesn't, then it was never for me. If I mess up, okay, I'll learn from my mistake. Let's normalize it. Let's normalize it. Okay, so we're in Target and I'm looking for the apple cider vinegar. I can't find it, but I searched it and it says that they have it. So where is it? But I did get the face razors. Y'all, look at this big bottle. I do not need this big bottle. Should I just get it? All right, I'm just gonna get it.
I don't know what's going on. I hope I'm on your mind.
So we made it back, and I have the rug right here. Basically, this is the end of this vlog. I'm gonna put this apartment together. Ooh, my lash just got stuck in my eye. I am gonna put this apartment together, and then I'm gonna show you guys the final, well, it's not gonna be the final unless I have every piece of furniture or every piece of decor that I want in here, but I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like with what I got today in the next vlog. So make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. Comment down below if you guys want me to do more home decor vlogs, or if you guys want to know where I'm getting all of my stuff, like the stuff that I already have. Yeah, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at @theamanicollins. I love you guys so much. I hope y'all had a good weekend if you're watching this during the weekend. If you're watching it during the week, I hope you have a good week. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Love you guys.
I don't know if what we had was just a waste of time. A waste of time. You got 70